going on a
Squirrel.
hunt.
We're going on a squirrel hunt.
I've got my binoculars.
I've got my binoculars.
I'm not scared.
I'm not scared.
Believe it or not, squirrels are a big part of our ecosystem. Project Squirrel, an organization run by SciStarter, allows people around the world to be able to log what type of squirrels they see, specifically gray, fox, and red squirrels. They additionally want information about the location that the squirrels are found in and their surroundings, such as what predators or trees are nearby. I became a citizen scientist by being more aware of my surroundings. I logged every squirrel I saw into an activity log. Once I knew to look out for them, they were quite easy to find. I encouraged my friends to spend more time outside with me and when we would go out, and took a picture or video of every squirrel I could. Monty, my dog, was put on squirrel patrol. He loves going on walks or looking out my picture window and is always barking at everything that moves, so we made it easy to spot more squirrels. A Project Squirrel website provided data that compared the different types of squirrels and how they interact with their environment. They found that gray squirrels were found in areas where there are more often oak and pine trees, which went along with the data that I contributed to the project. They are more commonly found in colder areas during the winter, and they depend on acorns to survive, which is another reason they are likely to be found around oak trees. Gray squirrels were more likely to be in areas with little predator or pet presence. Fox squirrels were more commonly found in western or southwestern suburbs with a high presence of elm and maple trees, and they do not like being in urban areas with more people. They were more likely than gray squirrels to be in the presence of predators. HEC Science and Technology explained that squirrels are a huge part of the ecological food web, which is why it's so important that we study them. In St. Louis, they have both the fox and gray squirrels, but they saw low amount of fox squirrels in contrast to seeing thousands of gray squirrels. They are more often seen in remote wooded areas. They found that gray squirrels tend to use human resources more, such as bird feeders or trash cans to get their food, which is why they are more commonly seen in urban areas. Project Squirrel allowed me to learn more about how squirrels interact with their environment and have a better understanding of how the different breeds use their resources differently. I am happy that I was able to incorporate this project in my day-to-day life, and beyond participating in the project, I am additionally glad that I was able to read more information about squirrels and their ecology, so I could recognize the reasons behind why different types of squirrels live contrasting lifestyles.